na to ang kuan ni Alfonso, guys.
Ay, mas. Okay dyan.
Hindi ba kasabay ko?
Guys, nabuak siya guys. O, sayo.
So guys, wala may klase guys. So guys, kung wala may klase guys, so sayang kayong oras guys. Pagkakulang ni ganit na. Isang oras guys, 7:39 guys. Ang oras guys, 7:7.
Guys, study of report, guys.
This is not my report. This is not my report. This is the best report. The title of today's report is for collaboration and strategic hospitality and tourism. So that's why the stakeholders so for that they are forms of collaboration.
So, sarap guys. Sila.
Guys, kung ano na lang na full balls ako ang hair kay para siya kalaigat kaya guys, wait lang guys sa magpa sa kong full balls. So guys, mana lang po ipot niya. Tindog na siya guys.
Guys, new game ni guys. Sabit. Oh, guys. So guys, beach food siya guys. Mag-away mi ra pahuday mi kung kisa ako score sa mo. Na siya oy kay gipalit din niya yung way palit. Dapat yan di magasog expenses. Palit pa pero okay. Guys, sabat to. Uwi sabat ay ba haba kay uli. So guys, kalagot kayo. Guys, kabalo ko guys to. Kung yun nagko-comment pag ako i-drop ato na ako sa kabalo ko guys to. 3 continuous absences. Continuously. Consistency absent. 3 na. Kung kami mga estudyante guys, no, 3 continuous absences, mag-drop out mo sa subject. Kung saan ang mga instructor, they deserve it too. Sa man yung mga paglingkod? Oy, sa man na, natagenic. Charada. So guys, karon guys, to kayo mag-hosting ta sa isang event. Oy! Kami... Oh, yan na! Concert na!
Guys, ayaw guys, ang gas guys. Tapos, dili sila masulod. Unay chat-chat. Ang giingon nila nga, late daw sila. Unya, dili man tayo ito masulod, diba? Sayang oras na inilaan namin para sa kanila. You know, diba sabi nila, time is gold. So why? Siguro silver lang sila.
Guys, ay nga kita guys. So, pag hindi man sabi na sila mga sumbagon niya. Sumbagon niya ito instructor.
Okay, drop out na mga instructor.
Tapos lang, ang subject naman guys, tag-awan mo. Sabi, mag-check na! Mag-check yung pabil! Talagang, di lang kasi, okay, the lesson for today is about something, blah, 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 blah. Wala guys, so karoon na daw, wala. Sayang. Good morning, everyone. So now we are here at the event of Riyad's wedding, and with his future husband. So please, let's welcome Gaspar Evino for renting a song for wedding.
Sana naman ipagpatawad mo ang labis na kadalingan mo. Ngunit ang lahat ng ito'y totoo. Break it down with you.
Thank you for one more song. Let's go, friends.
Saan man maglaya, ikaw lang patutunguhan. At sa aking pagdating, sa'yo ko lang sasabihin.
So guys, sana ako magkaunani. Sulamit lang si guys, attendance lang ni guys, attendance check. Present, ma'am. Ma'am. Tapos ganito akong kami.
ako na gym. Si ma'am. Pero ara siya sa pertahan.
Ang tatay na, namuli ka.
Hello guys, good morning. So, it's Tuesday and wala pa si Mama dapat sa amo ang schedule for today. Si Pamay guys, mag-vlog na po. Okay, mag-report magod si Pamay. Para si Palma guys, siya sa kong liko. Tapos si Aline, si Rian. So guys, please support the AJ vlog of Miss Alea Camelo. So,
Wala na, tayo singer.
Libre na, salamat, Lord.
Visions and more, but I couldn't ask for more. 'Cause your love is the greatest gift.
Hawak mo ang beat.
hello guys, I will sing the song entitled Your Love, the Greatest Love of All. So just hear my voice if you guys know about my voice is good or not. So this is the song guys. It's not to there's nothing more the world I need. Whenever you hear the sound, you beside me, so you could give me wings to fly. Catch me if I fall and pull the stars down from the sky, so I could wish on them, but I couldn't ask for more. 'Cause your love is the greatest gift of all. In your arms, I found strength inside me, and in your eyes, there's a light to guide me. I would be lost without you. I know that my heart could ever what has come true. So you could give me wings to fly and catch me if I fall, or put the stars down from the sky. So I can reach them all. Beside you, and I was still believe you gave me everything that you gave your heart to me. I couldn't ask for more. 'Cause your love is the greatest gift of all.
So guys, mag-eat na muna. Guys, nakapagpapos guys.
Hi guys! For today's video, so wala po kaming masyadong gana for today. So, ang gagawin namin ngayon is, wala lang.
So guys, sana midri guys. Update you later.
95 na biya kada litro.
Dito, ano gamay na ba ng litro?
Oh, wataw.
Minsan na hindi nakagat. Tadgan mo na yung ginakagat.
No, don't.